Hi, it's Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk. Welcome to my Facebook Live replay. Just doing a little introduction to it because when I'm doing my Facebook Lives, generally the beginning of it is just like me waving, going, hello, is anybody there? Am I on my iPad? Let me just refresh. Am I there? So I just thought I'd do a proper intro. So it's a little bit of live crafting, and I made a card and I cased the catalogue with the catalogue from 2014. I picked out the first catalogue that I ever got hold of, and I've cased that, and I've made this using the punch from Pine Tree Punch and the sentiment from Perfectly Played, and a little bit of DSP in yeah. So that's what I make, and so why don't you grab a coffee like I've got and sit and watch it. Okay, enjoy. So, going to do a bit of live crafting. Now, this is an old catalogue. Don't know how many here remember this, but this is the Autumn Winter catalogue from 2004. And this is the first one that I ever saw, the first catalogue that I ever had in my hands. And this was the first set that I ever bought. I bought this bundle, the stamp set and the tree, and I still love it and I still use it. And of course we have an updated version of that in the form of Perfectly Plaid and the Pine Tree one. So I was thinking of looking at some of my samples that I did or examples that I did with this set and sort of remake them. And so I thought, oh, I'll look at the catalogue first. I did go on Pinterest, to my Pinterest board, to find things that I'd made. I do remember making that one. And I came across that and I thought, oh, I might do something with that. That's got some detail in the background, which I'm not doing. So I thought, oh, I'll take that as my idea and then sort of run with it. So that's what I'm doing. So I did put together a card last night, and I made this in sort of non-traditional Christmas colours. So I'm going to do that again, and I'm going to do it in Merry Merlot, which is a little bit more Christmassy, I think. So I've got the Merry Merlot cardstock there, and I've got a bit of the Merry Merlot DSP. These are from the Colour Family paper stacks. So I know that's a Regal. This will be from the Neutrals pack. Love these packs of paper. Very, very reasonably priced. And yeah, the Neutrals. And yeah, lots and lots of uses. So I thought, yeah, we'll get that one done. So got my new trimmer. Love it. I did a review on that on Monday, Facebook Live, and that's now, I just uploaded that to YouTube actually. So, need to cut this. Oh, got a little bit of paper there in my track. Best get rid of that. So, going to cut this. In blank side, and then we'll score it for our card base. Lovely jubbly. Get that a little bit more of a just a wedge in there. And then I need some card mats. I've got some here cut. I think they are the right size. I am going to check. Yep. It's a little bit short, but I'm sure it's fine. And that one is the same size. No, that one's smaller. I'll just cut some. Oh, and as I picked up that spare sheet, I found another one. It's not the right size. We'll just cut some. We'll just cut some and then we're done. I don't know why my iPad's just gone off, and I don't understand why. Probably because I need to tap on the live and get rid of the volume. otherwise I'll hear myself. There, that's better. So just cut this. If you saw my live on Monday, you'd have seen me marking off where I mark off for my mats, so I don't have to think of numbers. So we'll get rid of that one. There we've got our mats, one for the front and one for the inside. And our little strip there, I'm going to cut with the pine tree punch, and I kind of did it so that sort of diamond shape was sort of fitting in the tree. So I sort of put the diamond up there like so. Could have had it the other way round and had it as a gingham one. And then I'm going to cut a strip of this at 1/2 inch. And then I'm going to cut this. I'm going to cut it down and then put that to 1/2 inch. You'd have never done that in the old trimmer. You'd have had to have stuck it down with some washi to do that. I keep going to do the clip and we haven't got a clip. So that's the bits I want. I'm trying to sort of view the card. So that's the card we're making. So I need to flag the ends. Oh, I did use a triple banner punch for that, so I'll go and get that. Thought I'd got everything ready, but no, I didn't. So just feed that down there. Get a nice little flagged end. You can do this with your scissors. But I got the punch, so I'll use the punch. Might make that a little bit shorter. There we go. So that's all ready to get stuck on. I'm going to put the tree about there, and then we need to stamp. So I've got some Merry Merlot ink ready. Get rid of them. And I've got my Christmas cheer. So I did cut my stamp. The Tools Not Jewels. I figured I probably wasn't going to use the Hope That Your Busy Year Comes Together in Christmas Cheer. So I cut it off, and even if I do want to use it, it will go back together again without any problem whatsoever. So I wasn't worried at all about that. So just gonna stamp that on there. Am I actually straight? Super. Put that on my chamois that is bone dry. Not really going to be very effective. And I think I'm going to just cut a little bit of this off. I think it's slightly too long. So I'm going to take a little bit off. Make it a tad shorter. And then we just need to stick them on. I'm going to use snail for this. Don't use my snail very often. So stick that on there. I do think I might go through and make this card with every colour in the colour family stacks that I've got. Nice simple design. That'll be all my Christmas cards made. Because that'll be like 50. The 4 colour families and the 2 in colours. There we go. And then I'm going to put a bit of a bow on there, and in that one I coloured some pearls. I don't have Merry Merlot to colour. To be fair, I didn't have Blushing Bride, so I used the lighter clips of coral. Seemed to work, but I've got nothing that could potentially work with. That's just rubbish, Jez. I got nothing that I figure would go with the Merry Merlot, so I won't be colouring that. I might just do some rhinestones. Bit of bling for Christmas. Doesn't matter, there's no other bling. Twisted that. And of course I made that bow perfectly without any hassle whatsoever. No twisting, no nothing. And I've just made that worse. For goodness sake, Jess. There, that'll do. That will do. Cut the end like so. Glue dot is just there. I just roll it up. To put it on. So you did have a bonus Facebook Live on Monday. If you want to go back and check that, it'll be on my Facebook page, but it's also now on YouTube. And I did a review of the trimmer on there, and I went over the sets that are in the sale that's running today. So there's 15% off some selected stamp sets, and it ends at 10 to 11 tonight, UK British summertime. So you want to get on quick. I think some of them are selling out, so there was only like a certain amount available for the sale. So some things have gone on back order and have sort of sold out. So if there's something you specifically want, get on there and get it ordered to get your 15% off. Can of course order other things as well. You don't just have to order those. There's still some bargains on the clearance rack, and you might want this little number, which I just think is brilliant for Christmas. So obviously I've done each step separately. You could whack this out. Oh, I've just smudged. So you could bulk make this and it wouldn't take very long. So get them together, and then just one on the inside. You could stamp on this if you wanted to. We have trees. I could do a tree on the inside if I wanted to. And I haven't gone over that. So yeah, so if you want anything in the sale, I get on there sooner rather than later, and I wouldn't be going on at 10:30 thinking that you might complete the order in time. Doesn't matter if you started the order before 10:02. If it's not completed by 10:02, you will be paying full price. So yeah, don't get disappointed. So I've got pearls or rhinestones. I can do rhinestones, I think. So I'm going to stick one over the eye. Christmas. And then we'll just scatter the others around. There we go. Did them slightly different than the other one, and that's it. Quick bit of Christmas crafting there. So hope you like that. Not fully traditional Christmas colours, although I do like that Merry Merlot as a Christmas red. I think that's quite cute. So hope you like that. You see, you can get your inspiration from anywhere. That was certainly worth checking that old catalogue there to get the idea there. Obviously mine is nothing like that, but it is along the same vein. Okay, so I will put all these measurements on a blog post at some point. Normally I do the Facebook replays on a Monday, so the blog post will go out on Monday and this video will be uploaded to YouTube then. So then you can get to my shop here on Facebook. There's a shop link there. I'll probably link it into this post when I go back on and edit it, if you want anything in the sale. Okay, thank you for joining me today. It's been a blast. Oh, thank you, Heather. Didn't see that. I can't see the comments on my iPad, but when I stand up to turn my phone off, I can see them. Okay, thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.